Curt is the first name in towing products. Whether you're going from the job site to family vacation, Curt has you covered, especially with their Rebellion XD and accessories. This innovative hitch is a totally dynamic and adaptive suspension ball mount with shock drop technology. Simply put, the Rebellion XD has been engineered, built, and tested to offer a smooth ride while promoting increased lifespan on your vehicle, suspension, brakes, and of course your trailer. Because of the Rebellion XD's shock drop technology, you can say goodbye to the effects of jerking, rattling, and trailer sway on your towing system, and say hello to a more comfortable and controlled ride while towing. The Rebellion XD is built with an adjustable shank and can accommodate a variety of vehicle-trailer combinations. The dual ball can be adjusted up or down for a max of 8-inch drop or a max of a 1-inch rise. These 8 height adjustment positions ensure level towing of the trailer, and it's great for trucks, SUVs, heavy-duty trucks, and even lifted applications. The dual ball accessories feature a 2-inch and a 2 5/16" ball, and it's rated up to 20,000 pounds. If you're off and on the job site a lot or towing on tough terrain, a pedal mount is a great option to give you that extra durability that you need, but with the Rebellion XD, you're still getting a nice versatile tow. This pedal mount attachment mounts onto the cushion hitch and accepts any Curt mount style pedal hook or ball and pedal combination hitch. It has an integrated rubber dampener for enhanced vibration resistance, and it's constructed from cast steel for optimal strength. So if you combine the shock drop technology of the Rebellion XD with the integrated rubber dampener of the matching pedal mount, you can tow with confidence. And there's nothing worse than sinking a lot of time and money into your towing setup only for someone to walk away with some of your parts. That's where the tongue and hitch lock set from Curt comes in handy. It includes a hitch lock and a tongue lock for enhanced security. This locking set works with both 2-inch and 1.5-inch receiver tubes and features a quarter-turn activation for convenience. And they're also key-to-like to make using this lock seriously a breeze. The Rebellion XD from Curt and accessories mentioned in this video are all backed with a limited lifetime warranty. If you would like to purchase one or all of these products, or even talk to a local shop about the perfect Curt towing setup for you, then check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area that can help you out. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear them. Thanks so much for joining us on this episode of In the Garage.